Hello and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. Today we're going to do a little small tank. It's going to be a toy one, nothing really serious, but if you just like to learn the process to help you along your way, yeah, go ahead and stay tuned. All right, so this, we are going to delete that instead of duplicating it, and we are going to add a box. Now, it's going to be simple. We're going to make sure we're at the front. This is kind of the, let's do side view, left. Yeah, it's our left view. Okay, just so we're in the right place. Okay, and then we're gonna validate. It's gonna be pretty small, like this. We're gonna smooth things out here in the corners. So increase the intensity, make sure that's on. Like that. All right, that's pretty good. All right, left. All right, then we're gonna duplicate this. Go to, oh, sorry, left. Gizmo right here. Make this way smaller. Go up like this. As you can see. And then we're gonna add a cylinder. Snap 90 degrees. We're gonna make this bigger but smaller. And smaller, smaller, smaller. All right, that's pretty good. Like this right there. We're gonna increase that. All right, not too bad. Then just press OK. We're gonna add another cylinder. Oh, sorry. 90, snap. Decrease the size right here. Go up. Like that. All right, that's not bad. All right, we got pretty much the body. Now we need to add some wheels, and we're gonna really keep them really simple. So again, cylinder, snap, make them smaller like this, and like that. Left, and then we're just gonna duplicate all of these. Okay, select all three of these and try to keep them about right there. Okay, that's good. And now we're just gonna add the treading, and that is gonna be achieved pretty simple, like I mean, that's going to be achieved pretty simply. So go to over here. Actually, yeah, let's do a simple merge with those wheels. And you can rename all these, but we're not going to. Box, go up, this way, that way, over here, and then move this like that. That's gonna be part of your treading. Unfortunately, it can be a lot of duplication here. All right. And validate. Don't take your snap off like that. And then we're just gonna keep doing this. And then duplicate. Duplicate. Go down. Like that. And so we repeat these two. Right. All right. And what last thing we want to do is copy these four on the side over here. So I'm gonna have them right here, right? All right, we're gonna do a simple merge, and then we're gonna duplicate them. Snap this way, like that. All right, sweet, we got that all. Now let's combine all of these. Okay. And we're gonna do a simple merge, and then we're gonna duplicate them and simply just move this over here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right, we don't even have to do that. Okay. So if we have our geometry correct, we're gonna do geometry of the world. So go to the front, geometry. Yeah, okay. And you see this red line over here? That's good. So right to left, yes. It'll duplicate over here, and we're gonna do the same thing for the wheels. Duplicate world, right to left. What's going on here? Duplicate. Huh. Go to front. There we are. Oh, okay, I guess we gotta move it here. Okay, and then yes. And okay, that works. Sweet. Let's just make sure there's not like multiple duplicates over here. Alright, sweet. There we have it. Now we have our nice little tank. The geometry for this, it's not bad. But either way, we're done modeling. If you want to stick around, you can. I'm just going to do the UV unwrap, and then I'll make this model available for download. Thanks for watching. Till next time. And we are going to keep this all separate so it's easier to work with. Like the main body here, like you want to be able to move these two things. Oh, it is selected. Okay, sweet. Simple merge, and then this, and the top body should not, this and this should rotate with this, and I guess it can only go around in 360, not like up or down. So we could make this bigger like that, so that if it angles, it'll still, it won't break. Like you won't see like half of it floating up here. So okay, that works. But we'll leave it as is and make some adjustments later. All right, let's do our geometry unwrap. Unwrap. Unwrappity wrap. And unwrappity wrap.